In Trentham, Victoria, amidst a farm filled with truffles and grazing cattle, stands the Winter Creek House, a dwelling designed to embrace nature. Surrounded by majestic rows of pine trees, this home feels like a serene canvas amidst a living landscape, offering a gentle dialogue between architecture and the natural world. As you approach the house, your gaze is drawn to the large floating roof that shelters the open living area. This roof, like a soft blanket, connects the indoor spaces with the elements outside. With floor-to-ceiling windows, sunlight pours in unhindered, creating a dance of shadows from the pine trees on the cool concrete floors. On the other side, the bedroom wing, a black box-shaped structure, offers warmth and privacy. Its simple yet bold form resembles a small chest of secrets, a sanctuary to retreat to after a long day. These two distinct volumes, carefully interconnected, create an architectural rhythm that harmoniously separates private and social spaces without isolating them entirely. But Winter Creek House is more than a place to live. It's a story about the desire to coexist with nature. Its owners, Trish and Brad Gooch, had a clear vision, a home that not only captivates but also frames the beauty of their farm. From the living room, the view of truffle fields and grazing cattle becomes a living painting, delivering peace in its simplicity. The design process was meticulous. Every detail was considered, from how the shadows of the pine trees move throughout the day to how the winter sun warms the interiors. Amid storms and the challenges of a pandemic, the construction of this house stands as a testament to persistence and dedication. In the living area, heavy concrete walls and expansive glass windows offer a sense of both protection and openness. The sleek kitchen island, standing like a modern monument, serves as the heart of activity. Everything feels seamless, nothing excessive, nothing lacking. As you move deeper into the house, the cool concrete floors radiate warmth from the morning sun, while the highly insulated walls maintain comfort. Every corner of this home functions as part of a harmonious whole. Even the rainwater that falls is collected for reuse, strengthening the home's connection to its surroundings. Yet, the essence of Winter Creek House lies not only in its design or construction techniques. It is a poem, a testament to how life, nature, and architecture can exist in harmony. The pine trees surrounding it stand like loyal guardians, framing the views and offering a sense of protection. From the living room, the rhythm of the windows and the trees creates a layered visual story. The glazing in the foreground, the pines in the middle, and the truffle farm with grazing cattle in the distance. This home is a lesson in living simply yet profoundly. It shows us how to slow down, live more consciously, and stay closer to nature. Here, every season tells a story, every shadow brings beauty, and every breeze whispers tranquility.